So this is exactly what you guys asked for. You said massive streaming application with the super large library of movies and TV shows, way bigger than Netflix, but also with live TV content and also a fully working program guide. Now, this application doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. It works great on your Fire Sticks, Android TVs. And with this special version, you don't even see any adverts. So all of this great content across all of your devices, 100% free and even ad free. So please do take a moment to hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's
If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
So I'm doing my demonstration on my NVIDIA Shield Pro, but you can follow this process on any other Android TV device. And of course, your Amazon devices, Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, Fire TV Cubes can all use this application. It's even available for the Roku devices. Let's open that up. Now, when you start the application for the first time, so we can see here, welcome to unlimited movies, TV shows, and even live news channels, 100% legal, no subscription required, and you get lots of great content. Let's click on next. So it's just 3 times the content of Netflix. So that is a pretty big library. I mean, Netflix itself is a very large library. So to have 3 times that size of that library, I do think that's an impressive stat. Let's click on next. Available on all devices, phones, tablets, Roku devices, Android TVs, Fire Sticks, all devices covered. Get started. Let's get started. Now, it does say that you can create a free account if you want to. This will allow you to add things into your watch list. You can save your progress, and it does also give you some recommendations if you want to do that. But for this demonstration, I'm not going to log in. I'm going to continue as guest. I do believe even as guests, you do get the ability to continue watching, which I will demonstrate in just a second. Okay, so we are now in the new home screen. So the first thing we see is the brand new featured content. So some of the more popular content in here. Currently in the home section, let's stay there. So we saw the featured content. Then you have recommended content. So here we see some of the more popular content, more recommended content. So for a quick test, if I just look at The Man, let's click on that. When you click on something, you get to see who directed the content, who it's starring, the age rating, the genre, and how long it is. Let's click on play. And this is the crazy thing, guys. I'm playing this content, and as you can see, in a couple of seconds, we are straight in there and no interruptions, no pop-ups, nothing interrupting our viewing pleasure. We are straight into the content. I can go back. Okay, I was in recommended, then you have recommended channels. I will go through the channel sections in just a second, but let's go through the main list. Leaving soon basically shows you some of the content that's leaving the platform as they make way for newer content. Then you got some sci-fi stuff, nostalgia, black cinema, recently added. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. So we can see some of the new stuff that's been added to the platform. Here, for example, we have this thing here, 2 hours and 6 minutes, sci-fi. Let's click on play, and in less than 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we are into that content, no interruptions, and we can really go ahead and enjoy all of this content, 100% official, 100% legal, and that's working great. I can forward that a bit. That's working flawlessly. Let's go back. Then you got thrillers, horror, something different, other content, other stuff, lots of different things. Let's go to the left. Okay, so let's now go over to networks. And here you can see, guys, lots of different networks in here. So if I'm only interested in content from FilmRise, I can click on that. And this will then show me all of the content from that particular network. And again, just a superb library of content that's available. Let's go back. Let's now have a look at the live TV, because that was one of the areas that was recently revamped. I was really impressed with the amount of content that you can get in here, especially with a fully working program guide. So let's click on that. And you can see, guys, now we have a fully working program guide. I can see exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. I get to see lots of different sports content, lots of different sports channels, all categorized, all properly sorted out in this massive list of channels that we can enjoy on all of our devices. That's working great. Let's look at this Astros at the Red Sox. Click on that. Just to show you even that the live content is working absolutely flawlessly as well. So if you're into your baseball or your sports, I'm sure you'll be able to find content in here that you can enjoy. And that really is a fantastic high definition picture. Let's go back. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this new version of Tubi TV. As you've seen in the demonstration today, there's just such a large amount of content, so many movies, so many TV shows, but also the fact that you get that massive library of TV channels, including that fully working program guide. And to get that in an application that doesn't require any kind of registration, I definitely think this new version of Tubi TV is definitely worthwhile checking out. Now, to get this on all of your devices, just press the home button, go over to the Play Store or to the Amazon App Store, go to the search, and you're searching for Tubi TV. Let's type that in. Here we are. And that's the purple icon there. If I click on that, you can see at the top here, Tubi TV, free movies and live TV. And you can see the latest version was updated on the 4th of June. So fairly hot off the press. And on this channel, I do always try to bring you the latest versions or the latest streaming applications. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely think about subscribing. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application in the Google Play Store or the Amazon App Store, or you're looking for that special version with no interruptions, you can always go to my website at tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest one in the list will be how you can get the special version of Tubi TV on all of your devices. Now, as with all of these applications, it does require you to have a USA IP address. The easiest way to do that is to use a VPN. Now, PC Mag, who are an industry leader in all things tech, really just a voice that you can rely on when it comes to recommendations and reviews. They recently wrote an article on the best VPN services for 2024. And they actually gave the award for the best streaming VPN for streaming enthusiasts to Pure VPN. So if you're somebody that's looking for the easiest way to unlock all of the different Netflix libraries, to get IP addresses from all over the world, really just unlock the best streaming content, Pure VPN are definitely a company that I would check out. Right now, they've got a very special offer where you can get 27 months cover just for the price of $1.88. I mean, really at that price point to get premium VPN features, to unlock all of your favorite streaming applications, to get that at a price of under $2, it really is worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support my channel, so many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment to get the discount code. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think about this application, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.